Dust and dirt has a way to settling deep down into any surface, especially carpets. Because every time we walk across the carpet, we are pushing the dirt and dust in deeper. Hi, Andy here. If you or you have allergy sufferers at home just like me a few years ago, this video includes the steps that I have taken to reduce the onset of asthma, running nose, sneezing, and make it easier to breathe at home. So these are the 4 main factors to look into when selecting a right vacuum cleaner if you are an allergy sufferer. Dust and dirt has a way to settling deep down into any surface, especially carpets. Because every time we walk across the carpet, we are pushing the dirt and dust in deeper. Now to pick up the dirt and dust, we need powerful suction, and that is not all. Carpets need powerful suction that works well with a brush that can agitate the fiber to loosen up the dirt and dust so that it can be removed by the vacuum cleaner. In other words, cleaning power is a blend of agitation provided by the brush, suction power, and a low wattage vacuum. Yes, low wattage vacuum that can provide high suction rate. How low is low? Anything below 700 watts is a low wattage vacuum. Here's the pro tip: the higher the vacuum wattage, the cheaper the vacuum is. The lower the vacuum wattage, it will be more expensive because it can run longer, quieter, and low electricity consumption and provide high suction rate. Among all, this is the most important factor. Make sure you pay attention and take down the note if you need to. Now we all know that vacuum creates air to suck up the dirt, but not all of us realize or know that the same air shoot up by the vacuum goes back to our home. So a good vacuum needs a filter to trap the dirt inside the vacuum and not blow it back out. It would be best if you could use a bag vacuum. This is for easy discard the dirt and dust collected without causing a real mess when the vacuum bag is full. However, if you already have a bagless vacuum, never mind. Provided it is HEPA tag, which I will get there in a minute, you must discard the dirt and dust from the vacuum chamber outside of the house to avoid the micro dust escape back to your confined environment. Allergy sufferers are triggered by dust and pollen that is microscopic, usually as small as 3 microns or smaller. Okay, how small is 3 microns? Human hair is about 100 microns thick. 3 microns is really small. If the vacuum cleaner can't filter out these microscopic allergens, it just won't be effective reducing the allergy trigger in this environment. So allergy sufferers need HEPA filter vacuum that is able to remove 99.97 particles that are 0.3 microns, which is like the human hair we talked about just now. 100 microns chopped into 1000 tiny pieces. Take 3 pieces out. That is the size of a 0.3 microns. Point to note here is be careful of those fake HEPA vacuum that just slap in a HEPA filter and call it a HEPA vacuum so that they can sell better at higher price. A real HEPA vacuum needs to be tested by an independent testing body. The vacuum has to be lightweight and the wire has to be long enough so that you can easily move it from room to room and without having to plug or unplug. It should be easy to steer so that you can navigate obstacles such as wall, furniture, and home appliances. Apart from cleaning the floor, allergy vacuum has to be versatile enough by providing tools to clean underneath or behind furniture such as cushion, tight corners, remove dust from the curtains, and underneath the bed frame. That is the killer. So no matter how serious or minor your situation is, you don't have to live with that. If you get the right tool, it will help you to go a long way by mitigating the allergic triggers. So hope you get some insight out of this video. I'll put the link up or down below if you want to know more about HEPA vacuum, and share this video with any allergy sufferers that need to know about this, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.